Hello, eagles. It's Keroy here. Alright, today I'm reading for you Balanced by the Sound of Your Voice. I heard your voice as a calming river flowing towards its destined path. All within me, I became balanced. My mind, my heart were all in agreement to life's happenings. It is safe to love. It is safe to be loved. There is a calm in the atmosphere. All things are in balance. No more pulling, no pushing. Only a flow towards the 0 point where all is neutral in accordance to the cosmic plan. I realized we had matured, outgrown all the wars of life. We are in the flow. Our time is now. We are anchors of the light, light bearers. That is who we are, balanced by the sound of your voice. I remember when I wrote this poem, um, it most of my poems are inspired by my divine partner, if you know what I mean. And after talking to him on the phone, I always get this sense of balance, like everything has neutralized. If I'm feeling unhappy, after our conversation, seems like I have made sense out of things that are senseless. There is always that. Uh, there's always that neutralization, or if the mood is a bit funny, everything just straightens out. And I know many of you have a person like that, whereby when you talk to them or communicate with them, any kind of interaction, it kind of helps you to air out your issues in your mind and also neutralize any kind of uh, issues you may have. Well, this is Balanced by the Sound of Your Voice. I hope you enjoyed that. It's Keroy again, reading from Divine Soul Whispers. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.